Asalama for men we don't go. Men we go Meduguri. Fight. Nothing stop them. Men come back in peace. Men can't come their unit. Some bastard control men overboard. Until today, our senior men, they never retaliate. They never still retaliate. They cut men, kill men. Which kind of country be this? Our senior men know they see us as anything again. Then go kill men. To go retaliate na problem. Civilian go slap soldier. If you retaliate, then get all the big men number, then go begin the koko. Which kind army will they run? Where everybody they carry weapon, where will they carry? If you want bring them down, then go say no bring them down, then go make call. Tell me. 93 battalion. If they no retaliate, this man dead. Men go leave this job. Because I no see the use when they carry weapon where I no go fit use am. If they no retaliate, this man dead. They just throw men overboard. Buy men anyhow. And no man still they talk till today. I dey expect to the hear news. May they come carry men, may they go retaliate. They no carry men. They no carry men. On board this day, me, all the senior men don't lose their respect if they no retaliate this man death. They don't lose am and they no go fit meet up again. We soldier time don reach. Wey dem say we dey tire, grumbling hours. Now no be grumbling, na time for action. All men know where dem come from. And all men go back to where dem come from. If we go serve the country and the country no go fit serve us. I rest my case.